Hello, Holy One. Hello, hello. Welcome to this space. Welcome to this space. So, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Oh my goodness, I got a package. I actually bought this one for myself. So many times when I do an unboxing, they're gifts that have been sent in by all you beautiful, divine family of light. And I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. But this is a present to me from me. So if you'd like to see what I got, I would love to share it with you. So, all right, first off, I found this company on Instagram, on IG, and their name is Luna Blue Boutique. So if you go check out Luna Blue Boutique, and it says a divine toolkit for the modern mystic, lunablueboutique.com. All right, so they have a lovely card in here with some of their pieces on the picture, and they package this up very nicely. Opening it up, there's a beautiful purple tissue paper. Oh, wait, do you guys see this? Wait, do you see this? Oh my God. So excited. Okay. Okay, so it's wrapped in bubble wrap nicely. And then, ooh, it smells nice too. Oh, it's in this beautiful satchel, and there's two pieces that I purchased. There's two. Oh, I'm so excited. Wait till you guys see this. She does phenomenal work. It's so beautiful. Ready? Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is tourmaline. I think onyx and amethyst, but oh my goodness. Isn't that amazing? Oh, look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Luna Blue, this is beautiful. Oh, what a beautiful piece. Oh my goodness. All right, there's one more. Let's open this one up. Are you ready? Wow. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. Wow, this is gorgeous. Let's see, I'll try to put it on. Oh, you guys. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Yaroso ella, tabo e ananea, tabo ho aye, yabo coco ane, yabo coco ane. Look at that, you guys. Isn't it gorgeous? And this other one. I love this one too. This is the tourmaline. Oh my goodness. I loved them both, so I got them for myself. Oh my goodness, I love it, I love it, I love it. I do a lot of ceremony. I do in-person events. I do beautiful courses that have ceremony in them, the Galactic Shaman and the Goddess course. And so this is perfect. This is perfect. I'm so excited. So thank you. Thank you for watching my unboxing video. And remember to check out beautiful lunablueboutique.com. She has fantastic pieces and the energy is just absolutely beautiful. extremely talented. Thank you so much for what you're creating for all of us beautiful, higher dimensional beings of light and human form to wear on our bodies. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Blessings upon you, holy ones. Blessings.